Hi guys, so I'm here on my computer to show you how the Google Classroom works, how the interface works. And I'm here, I opened Google Classroom for a fictitious student. This is my best student. And this is the feed that the student can see, right? When they have access to the page, to Google Classroom. So let's begin first with telling you how you have access to a page. Your teacher should open a Google Classroom for you. That means that your teacher came here. He or she has to have an account, and you too, of course, a Gmail account. So your teacher came here, Google Classroom, and then opened a new classroom for you. And then the teacher has to add your Gmail account, and you will receive this email, this class invitation email. And here you are going to join the class, right? So I have already joined the class, so I am now the student. So this is the student's interface. Here on the first page, there is like the feed where you can see everything that has been posted, either you posted or your teacher posted. Here are the teacher's posts, right? Erika Nogueira. If you want to post something, you just click here, share with your class, and share with your class means sharing with your teacher, right? And then you can add a document, you can add a link, you can add whatever you feel like it. Like let's suppose you watch an interesting video and you wanna send it to your teacher. You can concentrate everything here on Google Classroom. That's the beauty of it. So you click here and you share whatever you want, and your teacher will get a notification by email, right? So whatever the teacher posts, the student gets a notification by email. See here, new assignment. So you click and you know that Erika Nogueira has sent you something. So here is the first page. There is the second folder, Classroom, where you can also see the posts, right? I'm gonna get to that later. I'm going to explain one by one. And people, you, right? The teacher and you. So let's come here on the stream. On the feed, you have this part here on the left called upcoming. Upcoming are the assignments, and it tells you that you have an upcoming assignment, right? So it's everything is here, but when the list is very long, when this feed is really long, it's very useful to have this upcoming here so that you can see the the following assignments. So you click here on view and you have the filters. When there are a lot of posts, it makes your life easier, believe me. So here in the filters you can see what has been assigned, what has been returned, because your teacher can grade you and return your assignment, and what is missing. So whatever you missed the due date, right? So here, for example, present perfect quiz was due in February. We are in April, so it's missing. So whenever you miss a deadline, you get the notification. So let's go back. I'm going to explain one by one first, and then I'll get into the details. So here on the stream, you have the posts, right? Here on the second part, class work, you have the same work, right? Here in the upcoming and here, but here it's divided by topics. So you have everything that was classified as listening, and here I only have two topics, listening and PP, present perfect. So here you can see everything divided by the topics. So it's really good to have all topics here on the left so you know what you have done. So you can follow what you did for reading, what you did for a certain topic like present perfect, simple past, simple present. And here you have the class drive folder, a link for the class drive folder, and Google Calendar. Okay, if you want to add that to your calendar, it makes your life easier because you're gonna see it's on your agenda. On class drive folder, when you click, you are going to see everything that you have posted to your teacher. So here is empty because this student hasn't sent anything yet. So here it works like a normal Google Drive. So that's the beauty of Google. Everything you post on Google Classroom, it goes straight to your drive. So that's really, really nice. It keeps everything organized. People, oh, I've already showed that. Okay, so Classroom and Stream. So let's begin with Stream. Let's suppose you want to see the next homework. So you come here, view all, and you know that for April 15, which is the next day, you are assigned this present perfect online quiz. So you click here, view details, and you have the instructions here on the top. Do the online quiz and bring your questions to me next class. And you see the link. So this is the homework the teacher assigned was a quiz, an online quiz. So you click here to do the quiz. You can print screen the results. You can write here the class comments. Let's say, oh, I got this wrong. I didn't understand. Or I got this right. Or I got 90% right. Or you can simply post the print screen. So let's suppose you have done that. You have already talked to the teacher. You have already done the quiz. So what do? You come here and click mark as done. So when you mark as done, your teacher is going to receive a notification from you that you have already done that exercise. Isn't that cool? So it's done, right? Unsubmit if you want to change your mind, and unsubmit and maybe attach something or comment. Actually, you can comment it at any time, but if you unsubmit, you're gonna be able to edit and maybe post something you forgot to post. I don't know what. All right, so this is one of the possible assignments. One of the possible assignments for you is online quiz, right? That's what I work with. I work a lot with the online quiz. Let me go back. I work a lot with PDF, so I'm going to record a video just about doing PDF on. Oh, this is a video. Sorry, let me go back. This one is a PDF. So I work a lot with PDF files. So I will post a PDF file. I'll write the instructions right here. You are going to open the PDF. You are going to download the PDF. You're going to edit, and I'm going to show you this in another video. And then you're going to add, okay? So you add the file, and then same thing, you mark as done. So what is possible? Links, right? Online quizzes. Videos. I love to work with videos. So here I posted a YouTube video for this student. Where is it? This one. Actually, this is a Word doc. Let me go to the video. Here. So this is a YouTube video. As you can see, you can post anything here. Videos, PDF, links for sites, and whatever document or whatever Google document. So this video, I just asked the student, watch the video. So if you watch the video, mark as done. Okay, let me go back to the Word doc, so the Google Doc, right? So here I posted a Google Doc for my students. When the student opens it, he has a Google Doc. I'm gonna show that in another video too, just only how to work with Google Docs, okay? But to give you a general idea, you are going to, here I prepared an exercise, a fill in the blanks exercise for my student. So my student has the link here. He's gonna click on the link and he's going to watch the video and just edit. Just come here and write his answers. Once he closes it, it's saved. And if you mark as done, the teacher receives a notification. Isn't that cool? So I showed you Google Classroom. I showed you different types of homework you can get on Google Classroom. What else? Invitation by email, notification by email. When the teacher sends you something, you're going to get the notification by email. You can share with your teacher whatever you feel like. So it's it's something that you can really use to interact and keep all your homework concentrated. And this is like the best tool for me, and this is the perfect tool, the perfect LMS in my opinion. It's really easy to use. It's really user friendly, and I have been doing that for a long time, and I just love it. So I hope you like the video. See you later. Bye bye.